Hey Treviso fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing. It's Giaveno Unit 1635. The Antonia floor plan comes with a full golf membership. Let's run inside and take a look. As soon as you walk into this unit, you've got the kitchen to the right hand side. Nice eat-in kitchen area here with a window looking out towards the front. And then you've got this nice open style kitchen with the view out to your main area here. Full appliance package comes with this unit, stainless appliances, as well as a washer and dryer. Now coming back into the entry hallway to the left is the first of two rooms. It's a 2-bedroom unit. This is the guest room here, featured with twin beds. You've got your bifold style closet, and this sits just across from the guest bathroom here with the single sink, the commode, the combination tub and shower, and this is also where your laundry is located as well. Full-size washer and dryer. Now heading back towards the main area here. In this configuration, typically underneath this lamp fixture is a dining table. This owner happens to have a larger couch and bar stool set up. And this place is being offered the way you see it. Everything is included. So all the furniture, TVs, electronics, you name it, it's all inclusive. Towards the back of this unit is the master. It's a huge master for a 2-bedroom condo. Nice king-size suite here with the view of the lake here behind building 16 in Giaveno. Really attractive. And behind that is the Rookery Bay Preserve, which will not be built upon, so you'll always have those nice green views. You've got his and hers closets, the single sink, the commode. You've got the standalone shower here, and also you've got a linen closet here. And the last thing is the lanai showing your views. This one has been tiled to match the rest of the home, which is really nice little effect. And this is your view that you'd be enjoying here at Treviso Bay. All right, guys, if you're interested in this unit, you can find all of our contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching. Talk to you soon.